So for today's topic, I will, this is the outline for today's breakdown. So first of all, I will talk to you about why do materials properties play a key role in CA simulation, and what kind of material properties do we need to test in the CA simulation. And then I will go over the general introduction in the material testing, and the type of service that we offer here at Model 3D, as well as some partnership with the external partners, and also the fundamentals in the material measurements, what kind of equipments we use, and the methodologies, and also the basics behind this kind of material testings, as well as some of the formulations we use in the modeling. And lastly, I want to introduce you this concept of material digital twin, and as well as some advanced material testings that we have pioneered here at Model 3D.